Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, the operating system of our system is always controlling all the operations of our computer. The task of managing files, folders, and applications has been simplified in Windows with the help of control panel and recycle bin. They are an essential part of the operating system Windows. Today we are going to discuss first of all about control panel. Control panel is a system folder that allows you to make changes in the appearance and current settings of Windows. Firstly, we are going to discuss how to open control panel. For this, you have to click on start button. Then you have to click on control panel option. As you will click on the control panel option, this type of screen it will appear in front of you. Here you will see there are so many options here for adjusting our computer's settings. On the top you will see one option category. Once you will click on it, you will get these two options, large icons, small icons. So first I will tell you that how can you change the view of window by selecting options from here. If you will click on small icons, then as you can see there is a change on your screen. Icon size it has been reduced. Once again we are clicking on this down arrow. Now we are selecting large icons. Just check on the screen. Now the icon size it has been increased. So in this way, when you want to increase or decrease the size of these icons, then you can change it by selecting large icon or small icon option from the categories. Next I am going to tell you how you can change date and time on the control panel. For this, first of all, in the first step, click on date and time option. Select it like this. As you will click on it, date and time, this dialog box it will appear on your screen. In this, in the left hand side here, you will watch a clock from where you can change the time. Students, date and time together form an important part of the computer operating system. Incorrect date and time may cause hindrance in using some applications. You can set the time and date of the system manually or automatically. The control panel has an option date and time that allows you to change the computer's date and time. So in this way, if you want to change date and time, you will be clicking on this option change date and time. Once you will click on it, it will show you date and time settings dialog box. Here in the left hand side you can see this calendar, and in the right hand side you will see one clock where you can make changes regarding the time. See, in my system already the date which has been displayed here it is correct, time is also correct, so I am not going to make any change in it. But if your system it is giving incorrect date or time, you may change from here. So these were the steps for changing date and time in your system. Now just see how can you use recycle bin. First of all, I want to tell you what is recycle bin. Recycle bin is a system folder that temporarily stores deleted files or folders, as you can see here in the desktop. Now I will tell you how can you open it. First go to this icon recycle bin. Now just double click on it. Once you will double click on it, then the recycle window it will appear on your screen. Here you can see a list of deleted file, but right now I have not deleted any file. Now I want to tell you how to use it. I have already created one file in my system. I want to delete this file, so I am right clicking on that particular file. I am selecting delete option. It is confirming want to send this file to recycle bin. I will click on yes. So in this way this file it will go to recycle bin. Now I will double click on recycle bin icon. So look, my deleted file it has reached in the recycle bin window. Now if you want to empty this recycle bin, then you will click on this option empty recycle bin. But if you want to restore this file, then you will just open recycle bin and after that right click on this file, then select this option restore. Once you will click on restore option, this particular file it will be restored. Let's see. Look here in the documents library, this file it has been restored. So in today's class you have learned how to use control panel and recycle bin in the Windows. For today only this much. Thank you so much.